Do you say it like you mean it? In our regular conversations, we use several words which either negates a statement or diminishes the value of what we are intending to say. One such filler word is but. Now, let me explain it better by narrating a recent incident. I was interviewing for a technical role, and there was this one particular candidate who kept on initiating the answer before I could even complete my question. So I was like repeatedly asking him, hang on, have patience, let me finish. And every time he would say, I'm sorry, ma'am, but I felt like, I'm sorry, ma'am, but I thought. At a point, I literally felt he was not actually sorry. And I thought I should give up now. What he could have done instead, he could have just said, I'm sorry first. Or he could have said, I'm sorry, let me wait for you to signal and then I'll start answering the question. That would have worked well. He didn't do anything of that sort. So, in this case, using but without being mindful, without thinking, he was just using it and messing it up. It was problematic. When I realized this a couple of years back and consciously started avoiding the use of this word, you know what? My communication became more effective and conversations became more impactful. And this is true, it's a proven fact that certain filler words, if we replace with other words, can actually become more meaningful for us and have the desired result which we are expecting. Don't forget to try it out and share the results. Thank you.